Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
I just need my one-on-one time with you. I just need a one-on-one with you.
Good morning, guys. So I'm currently getting dressed because I'm out. This is something that's way overdue. Whatever I feel like I need to do to make myself feel better, I'm gonna do it. You guys can tell by the title of the video, your girl is out. I blow dried my hair yesterday, but it's not really straight. So I'm almost 100% sure that it's gonna get put up because baby, it's already puffy. And I'd be scared of the flat iron. I only went one pass yesterday. I should have did like 2 or 3, but this freaking flat iron right here is no joke. So I just took a shower. It's nice here in Charlotte, but I know when I get to my destination, it's gonna be kind of cold. So I'm dressing accordingly. I got on some Army fatigues. You know, I'm gonna put my Yeezy foams on. Change is always good, and it's always good to like, you know, not move around too much, but like my spirit and my vibration's been low, like I told you guys. So this is like gonna make me feel, or at least I think it's gonna put more positivity back into me and just like nurture my spirit, nurture my soul, so I can basically a reset. I'm gonna put my mascara on, put a little bit of makeup on because your girl looks tired. When I don't put mascara on or like my cat eye, I look sick. Like, I don't know. When you're used to putting like a little bit of makeup on and you don't put it on, it gives not even the same person. I'll do the Gucci Flora for today. This is my favorite scent. I used to be in love with the 360, Perry Ellis 360, but like I kind of outgrew. I know you guys been seeing these Van Cleef bracelets all over the internet, and baby, I'm not spending 4 bands on no Van Cleef. So if you are interested and you want you a dupe, go to TJ Maxx. Cause why did TJ Maxx have the almost exact same look of a Van Cleef bracelet? I have the black one, but it broke. So why I picked up 3 of them. And then the only thing about it is, like for me, I have a tiny wrist. So I tried to like layer them, but they were like getting tangled because my wrist is too small. So I just wear one at a time. All right, so I'm all dressed. I decided to just like slick the front down, and we'll see how it goes because it's already looking like it's puffing up. But I wanted to wear my hair down, so we'll see. It's giving cute. Do you guys like my hair straight or do you like my hair when it's curly? Road trip. Nah, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. My room is a hot mess, but guess what? It's okay. Are you ready to go? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
My house. My house.
You ready?
You ready?
You could try sleeping in my bed, but he ever shut it down like you. You made my body feel overwhelmed.
Hold it down and keep it heat till the morning. No need to debate it. I know just how you want. If you like it, I love it.
Make love to a from my city beach in my truck.
So we just took a pit stop and I need to get out and stretch my legs. My ears are freaking popped because we were going up like a mountain. So I can't even hear right now. We're in Virginia. Stop to get some gas and get some snacks and stretch our legs because baby, this ain't for the weak. Come on, let's get out and stretch. Come on. We gotta get some snacks too.
My legs hurt so bad right here.
I know.
Tell you how you
So,
flow to you. You know, baby.
so we are in Stop and Shop and it feels so weird to be in Stop and Shop because there's Publix, there's Harris Teeter, there's Full Lion, Aldi. But now we're back in our hometown at Stop and Shop because we're hungry. We're gonna get some breakfast. We are starving right now. They changed everything in here right now. We don't even recognize it. How does it feel to be back in Stop and Shop?
It feels different, but it also feels the same.
Does it feel good to be back home?
Yes.
Sausage too. And should we get waffles or should we get grits?
I don't like either.
Should we get orange juice? Let's get some orange juice. Do you remember this store?
No.
She's gonna be so excited to see us. Shh. Nanny.
Nanny's
Oh, hi, Nanny.
Hi, Nanny. Aww.
Oh. Okay.
It's okay, Nanny.
You called me when I was just about to get in the shower.
Yeah, Nanny's here. You taking care of Nanny?
You told me you'd take care of me.
Aww.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What are you guys doing here? Oh, Dee! When did you come? Hi. Oh my god!
Did we get it?
Oh, it's so good to see you.
Gotti!
Keeping you close, I don't always love me was you.
Hi, JJ! Hi, Parrish! You got the balls on her! Look at you!
So we are in New York and we are about to go to Marshall's because
First time.
yeah, and they changed so much. Like in this whole plaza, they added some new stores. We about to hit up Tropical Smoothie. Feels so weird to be back home, but it feels good though. Like I just wanted to see how it felt, but honestly, we're not really missing nothing.
I want to go back.
I do. I feel like 3 days is good, and then I'm ready to go back home. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, and then we may go to the mall. I don't know, and then we'll probably get something to eat. Who knows? Home sweet home. We are back and we had a safe trip. Got home around 9:30 p.m. So we did really good timing wise, even though we stopped like 3-4 times. It feels good to be back home. I'm still exhausted. It took us like 9 hours and almost about 10 hours to get back. And we left at a good time, so it was no traffic and stuff like that. But I'm happy to be home in my own space. I'm so happy to be able to see my family. I didn't really record a lot, guys. I'm sorry. Like, the footage is just, like, real quick. But I didn't feel like recording. I just wanted to hang out with my family. I wanted to just chill with them and just without any recording. Like, I got the clips so you guys could see how much I surprised them. But it was just a quick visit. So I wanted to just, like, spend time with my grandma and my cousins and my aunts. I did see some of my friends. It was a vibe. Like, coming back to your hometown and just, you know, so many things have changed within almost a year. Because it's been about 10 months. Since I've been gone, but a lot has changed. Like when I went back to my town, some things were upgraded and some things just were the same. Some people still were the same. And it just goes to show you that like some people just will never change, honestly. Like some people that I saw in the same predicament doing the same stuff, they're still there. They were literally still there doing the same stuff. The weather surprisingly wasn't that bad. The first day, it was nice. All I had on was like a little crew neck and I was pretty good. Then like the next day it like rained. For like Saturday and Sunday it rained and it was a little on the chilly side. So I'm glad we did bring our jacket. All in all, it was good. I ate good. My grandma cooked. My cousin cooked. It was just a good vibe to just catch up. But it also made me realize that it's so good to like leave everything that you know, because when you come back you can appreciate and you can see like where you come from, how far you've grown, and like the accomplishments that you've made. I'm like super thankful for that, because I don't know what I would be doing if I stayed, or if I didn't take that leap of faith to just move out of state. You know what I mean? I think I made a good choice for myself, even though some days it's harder for me because there is no family here. I will say it's way different. It's a different lifestyle being in the north and then coming back to the south. Way calmer, way quieter. And I think that's exactly what I need in my life. So that's it. I'm home. I still didn't unpack nothing. My room looks crazy. As soon as we got in, we literally knocked out. Like, we knocked out. We were like, that's it. Like, that car ride it was crazy. But we had a good time. We were jamming and stuff like that, looking at all the different states, animals. Just it was a great trip. And I think that I needed that reset to just shake off whatever it was that had a hold on me. I just felt like it was just negativity and just low vibrations. And sometimes you have to do things for yourself to get out of that funk, no matter what it is. You may not be able to just get up and pick up like I did and go. Try to do something that's going to change and shift your negative thinking. Even when things are not going like right in your life, you have to find ways to soothe yourself. Just a change of environment and scenery for me made such a difference. Even though it was a quick visit, it was only 4 days, I was able to be surrounded by love, positivity, and just reassurance that I'm loved, I'm important, I'm worthy. So sometimes you just need a reminder. But I'm going to close the video out here because for the rest of the day, I'm going to be here. I'll be in this bed. I'm going to find something to watch. I'm going to eat, and I'm going to figure out what I'm uploading for you guys next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.